Hello cake lovers, welcome back to Graceful Cakes. Today follow me and see how I decorated this cake. The first covering is white. We have a white base for a round shaped cake. We've covered the cake with white fondant. We are cutting out the excess. Just cutting out the excess now. I'm going to make stripes of sky blue and royal blue color around the white base. I'm cutting out the stripes now. The stripes for the sky blue. Taking my measurements with a ruler. Cutting out the stripes. Quickly, I want to appreciate every one of you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for the likes, for the comments, and for sharing my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Thanks for your patronage. I appreciate you all. May God bless you really good. Please continue to stick with me on this channel and you'll learn how to bake as well as decorate cakes. So I'm putting the sky blue on the white base of the cake right now. If today is your first time of stopping by, of passing by, thank you. Your first time of visiting my channel, thank you. This is Graceful Cakes. Please press the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell so you will always know when I upload a video. If you've been watching my videos without subscribing, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. I'll really appreciate that. I will really appreciate your support if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, now I'm just writing the name of the celebrant on the cake. It's a birthday cake, and what I'm writing is happy birthday to the celebrant Emmanuel. Thank you, Emmanuel, for your patronage. God bless you really good. So I cut out the alphabet. I cut out the alphabets with my alphabet tools, and I'm just placing it on the board. I covered all of the cake board with white fondant. All right, what I did here is spread the sky blue fondant, and with my instrument I cut out some stars which I'm going to place on the cake later. Just cut that out, and now I'm rolling out the royal blue, removing the stars so I have enough space for my work. Now I have enough space for my fondant, and then I'm cutting out the royal blue fondant to add the stripes on the cake. I'm going to add these two colors. The contrast between the sky blue and the royal blue is quite much, and it makes a very beautiful design. Very beautiful design. So I'll just cut out the stripes and then put it at intervals on the white base of the cake. Even though they are both blue, color blue, the two colors I'm using to decorate on the white base, even though they are both color blue, there is a sharp contrast, and it's a very beautiful combination. Very beautiful combination, especially when you place it on white. So what I did was to place them side by side, separating them from each other. You can see what I'm doing. So at the center where I joined them up, I just put a bigger star to cover the the joining, and then I because I had only sky blue stars, I had to put the stars on the royal blue so it can come out sharp and bright. So you could add royal blue stars, but of course you will have to put that on the sky blue if you want. I didn't use so much of the stars anyway, but just enough to bring out the beauty of the cake. So I'm just smoothing in all the different places that has my fingerprints because of the work on the cake, so it doesn't get to show. Now our cake is all set and ready and beautiful. Don't you just love it? See the beautiful color combinations. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you again next week. Bye.